Meet Yobi B3, our first doorbell security camera that's Apple HomeKit enabled, giving you an easier and convenient way to secure your home. Whether you're a longtime homeowner or just settling into your new home, Yobi is with you every step of the way, and we've made it our first priority to offer top-rated features. This includes 1080p HD video with 180-degree field of view, two-way audio speakers, motion alarms, and infrared night vision. Meet John and Amanda, a small family living in their first home in the Silicon Valley.
Hi, can I help you?
With the help of Yobi, John always knows when there's someone at the door, even if he's at home or at the office.
Hi, you can just leave it by the bushes. Thank you.
Meet Emily, John and Amanda's daughter. Yobi Smart Motion can tell her dad exactly when she arrives home from school, or if she needs a little help getting inside their home.
Hi, Daddy. I forgot my keys. Can you come and open the door?
Hi, honey. Yeah, I'll be right there.
To help with all your home security needs, Yobi B3 is now available for purchase at meetyobi.com.